Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from ISEE Hair. So these are all the goodies that they gave me. Of course, she does come with combs, and she does come with that adjustable elastic band. This is what she's giving straight out the pack, how she's already pre-cut and pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So this is before I added any type of makeup to her. I wouldn't just put this on and go. Of course, you want that lace to match your complexion as much as possible. So I am using my Ruby Kisses foundation. So that is how long she is. I am using my Cafoon Meltdown hairspray. I did previously see that she is going out of business, or she needs help funding her business because she is a small business. This is my first time using this spray, so far so good. I did use her on a really hot day and she did hold up surprisingly. So if you want to check out Cafoon, you definitely can. I will link her website at the bottom. So right now I am using the eyebrow pencil. I love how deep of a shade brown it is. I love how easy it was to apply, because usually eyebrow pencils are very faint. Like when you put it on and you got, your primer or you got moisturizer on, it acts like it doesn't want to show up on your face. It's very faint when you put it on there, but this actually showed up. So I was pretty impressed. When the wig reviews are pretty simple and pretty easy, I like to kind of show you guys how I do my makeup as well, because baby, if it was up to me, this video would be like 3 minutes. And I was definitely scared about that skin tint, because once I had put it on, I was kind of looking like, oh, is this my complexion? I'm not sure. Obviously, I'm assuming skin tint is supposed to be a lot more sheer than full coverage foundation. In the end, she did blend in as much as possible. I would definitely see if I could mix her with another type of complexion product. I mean, overall, how we are feeling about this unit is pretty simple, y'all. She comes already pre-cut, pre-bleached, but of course, if you want to add your complexion product, you can. And if you want to wear her glueless, you also can. But yes, the pros with this unit, she was easy to put on. She is glueless. I really did like the density of this wig, because if she was a little bit thicker, I don't think it would have looked as natural as it does on my head. After wearing her for a week, I did decide to put layers in her. Like, you know how you gotta let pasta sit for like a couple of days or a couple of hours and then it just tastes better like afterwards? This is how this hair did. Like, I had to sit on this hair, like straight out the pack, doing the styled and everything that night. It was really good. But once she got used to me and I got used to her, baby, this hair ate, especially with me adding those layers. I didn't have any cons. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle, but of course she did have those flyaways. So if you guys are thinking about picking up this unit, everything about her will be in my description box below. I would like to thank ISEE Hair for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.